All right, so we're going to be working on these doors today. You can see we have pretty significant overlap here. We've got the overlap here all the way down on this solid glass Herculite door, and then we have a giant gap here. So we need to get this whole door to kick over that way and see if we can do that here. There should be an adjustment arm on top. We may have to drop the door, we may not, but we will find out. This is our adjustment. Right here, you get an in and an out, and you can see the black line where I used to mark it that we adjusted it from last time. So now I'm gonna dial that one in. Out. This one's gonna come out. Let's see, that's gonna push that back in. Back to where it was, and then we're gonna have to loosen this up some more. Because it's a push-pull. This one pulls, that one pushes. Push it past the black line. Everything looking good on your end? Mm-hmm. No tension or anything weird looking?
Nope.
Okay. So you can see our black line is now on the other side. And this rail, this is sliding on this rail right here. And now, let's see if that works. Shut the door gently. Now we're hitting the top. There we go. Alright, bottom of the door, same adjustment. Here, same thing. So the top of the door was hitting. So now we're trying to get it to where it'll drop it back down a little bit. Go ahead and shut the door. Hold on to it, don't let go of it. Still hitting at the top, or where are we hitting?
A smidgen better.
Okay. Do that again. Okay, the problem is that the glass is hitting the bottom now. After adjusting the top and bottom, we've got this adjusted to where the glass is just barely touching right there. Everything is sealed. There's no gap. You can't see any light through there. And now this side is working as well. You can see that we've got it all lined up and flush. And voila. Just like it's supposed to. Beautiful. That was a combination of adjusting the bottom and the top through that push-pull system.